Oh, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is absolutely bombing it down, but yeah, very windy still, but going out there. Got a small patio, a decking and little alleyway to clean. Not sure how fun it's going to be. It looks like it needs a clean. Just trying to get this sort of motivation to get the van ready. But yeah, join me on this clean. You stay nice and dry and you enjoy the clean, and I'll see you next bit. Let's go. Down in ability is getting better. It's alright, sweet. Just enough to keep you going. I haven't done any graft yet, but as you can see, very green down there. Can't wait to transform that. Yeah, looking forward to this one. Where's that? But yeah, appreciate the constant support everyone's giving, comments, likes, and subscribing. Appreciate it. Yeah, see you again. guys. Alright. Look at this bad boy. Asked him to move it, but said it takes too much power. Not worth it. But yeah, just finished cleaning it. Really happy with results. I'm just going to offer the chemical clean as an extra. Just to get rid of, we can test that. Pressure doesn't get rid of these spots, but we can see by the added chemical clean, will it improve it or not? Same for the decking. Like, it's come up lovely, but if you had a bit of chemical to it, rinse it off, it'll come up even better. So I'm just going to offer that to him. Double check it's okay. Yeah, might have a spin in that later. It's wicked, isn't it? Have a guess how much it is, and I'll let you know in the comments. So as well, the reason I did the washing first, and then now everything is completely sort of drenched. The wood has absorbed enough water, so now I can apply the chemical. And it will just be cleaning the surface and not going anywhere else. But yeah, join me on that one. So I managed to get away with it without getting wet. It's just starting to rain now, just to film in the after, but hey ho. Looks so much brighter after the chemical. Yeah. Thanks for watching the video. If you can subscribe, that'd be great. And I'll see you in the next one. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Buzzing for this one. Easter egg hunt with Theo. I've just been around hiding them all. I'll show you where some of the spots are. But yeah, so excited to see his little face when he's going to be finding that, and I'll bring it on with it, share it. Cheers. I am so buzzing. Disclaimer, he's not eating all of these. I am getting some as well. But he can help me find them all. This is epic. The Easter Bunny's bin.
Easter Bunny's bin.
Yeah. He's brought you some eggs, but you've got to find them.
We shall find them.
Yeah. Eat your breakfast, then we'll go find them. You excited?
Okay.
Say thank you for watching, everyone.
I'm watching them.
Please subscribe.
Everyone.
Love, Theo.
Theo.
Say love, Theo.
Theo.
Ah.
Easter.
Happy Easter. Enjoy the chocolate.
Okay.
Have a great day.
Take my daddy. Bye.
You okay?
Oh, it's a hat on.
Oh, you got a hat on. I didn't know that. It's like a bucket.
Got a bucket.
You ready? Ready to find the eggs? Let's go. Ready, steady, go! Go, go, go. Where are they? It's a car. You're looking for car and eggs.
Wow.
I can see lots.
Where are they?
Oh,
Wow, clever boy. Wow. I found a green one. Ah, well done. Do you want to go and get them? Go on then. How many are there?
Look! It's a big over!
Wow, you gonna have a quick bounce? Yay! Right, come then.
Look, it's loads!
There's loads, keep going in. Another one!
I found a big one.
Wow, Theo's doing really well. Yeah, where's a green one? Is there a green one over here?
Oh! I found it!
Right, there's still more.
A bird! Shoot! 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 Ow! Ow! I found a good...
Go.
Ah!
You got it?
Yeah.
I found a blue one!
Yeah.
The blue one! The blue car! I found it!
Clever Theo.
Pretties!
Put them in your basket. Is it big?
It's on the grass.
Oh.
Oh!
What's happened? The car crashed.
I crashed!
Can you see a bunny?
I see it.
What's he doing in there?
That's doing it. Oh, that's a rabbit.
There's a rabbit.
That's a lamb.
Yeah. Alright, mate.
You have to move it all the other way.
There. Down the egg. Yay.
Big one. Oh, it's a purple one.
Well done, Theo.
I see one with that.
What colour?
It's brown.
Bit yellow, maybe.
Hello.
Hello. Give me a kiss. Go on, lift it. Go on, big boy.
Oh, what is the big one?
That was the last one.
Yay!
Yay. Clap your hands. Look at me. Clap your hands. Say I done it.
Isn't it?
Do you want to eat one?
Big one.
Go on then.
A small one.
Not the golden one.
I'm not pink.
You want pink?
I'm not pink.
You'll play next year, mate. Look at Daddy. Say thank you for watching.
Imagine
Say love Theo.
up here.
Ah, subscribe.
Bye-bye. Listen. There's another one.
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe.
Subscribe.